This girl doesn't exist. She's not a model, she's not a real influencer, she's completely AI generated. And in this video, I'm going to build her from scratch using Nano Banana Pro for images, Kling for motion, Veo for lip sync, and then I'll edit everything together inside CapCut. By the end, she'll be talking, moving, and ready to post, all in under 10 minutes. Not many people realize the level of realism that AI has now crossed over into. This is the greatest opportunity of our lifetime to go viral and get paid on socials, or get paid by brands, especially if you are camera shy. Let's dive right in. First, we're not just generating a pretty face. She needs an identity, a niche, a vibe, and a consistent look. If you just type beautiful woman influencer, you'll get generic AI nonsense. So instead, you need to define these 5 things for maximum realism. Her age, her imperfections, the lighting style, the camera lens, and very importantly, what the AI is not allowed to do. Be as specific as you can. I'll write something like 24-year-old tech lifestyle influencer, natural facial asymmetry, subtle skin texture, soft window lighting, shot on 35mm DSLR, shallow depth of field, realistic pores, no plastic skin, no over smoothing, natural shadows. A good outcome always starts with the photo. If it looks too perfect, it looks fake. Once I get one strong base image, I give a simple prompt to change the camera angle, giving me 5 to 8 different shots of her. This becomes her content bank. Now she exists as images. Static images are a good base and can be posted separately, but they don't build trust like movement does. This is where most people ruin it. They over-animate everything. The goal is subtle motion. To get the most realistic videos, I use Kling and Veo. Kling for cinematic shots and shots of her working at the gym or doing tasks. Kling nails the motion smoothly. And with Veo, I can create insanely realistic lip sync that will fool anyone.
Hi, thank you so much for creating me, Matt. This is so awesome.
Combined with camera movement like vlogging. But again, don't overdo it with the movements or prompt. Otherwise, the AI won't be able to handle it and will glitch. Now she moves, but she doesn't speak yet. Remember, we're trying to make this feel as real as possible. Perfection sounds robotic, so we want to avoid it. Upload your image into Veo 3.1 and use a simple prompt, like she says, "Hi, thank you so much for creating me. Matt, this is so awesome. American accent, soft tone." Veo only creates videos up to 8 seconds long, so you need to make sure that you don't put too much dialogue in at once, otherwise your avatar will speak super fast to try and fit it all in. This can start to break the realism effect. Now you have your influencer that can do whatever you want, but here's the problem. Without personality, this is pretty useless, and she's just a face. So then I move on and define. Is she confident? Is she educational? Is she playful? Is she luxury focused? Is she AI focused? Let's say she's a tech lifestyle influencer. Now I use ChatGPT to generate 10 short content ideas she would realistically post. Now she has a voice, a position, and a theme that is believable. And here's where this gets really interesting. Once you understand that this isn't just about making one influencer, you realize you can build systems around it. One avatar becomes 3. 3 become 10. Different niches, different voices, different offers. You can test content angles without ever stepping in front of a camera. You can test hooks, personalities, aesthetics, and even entire brand identities before committing to one. Think about how powerful that is. Brands spend thousands testing creators. You can build a fitness creator, a finance educator, a skincare reviewer, and a tech commentator, all powered by the same workflow. And because everything is digital, you can refine endlessly. Now we assemble it all in CapCut with aggressive fast cuts built for social media or ads. If you want to learn more about how to edit your videos, check out the link below to join the largest AI video and image community in the world and join over 11,000 creators building together daily. Inside the community, we also teach how to monetize these avatars through UGC for small brands, creating AI influencers reviewing products, growing a niche page on socials, brand deals, offering these avatars as a service to businesses who want them, and so many more. This isn't about replacing humans, it's about building digital assets that can give you a high income stream.